Investing can seem daunting for beginners, but with the right knowledge and approach, it can become a powerful tool for building wealth over time. At its core, investing involves allocating money into assets like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate with the expectation of generating a return. The key to successful investing lies in understanding the fundamentals, setting clear goals, and adopting a disciplined strategy. This guide aims to demystify the process and provide actionable insights for those starting their investment journey. Before diving into the world of investing, it's essential to define your financial goals. Are you saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or simply looking to grow your wealth? Your goals will determine your investment horizon, the length of time you plan to hold your investments, and your risk tolerance. Generally, long-term goals allow for higher-risk investments like stocks, while short-term goals may require safer options like bonds or savings accounts. Understanding these factors will help you create a tailored investment plan that aligns with your objectives. One of the most important principles of investing is diversification. Spreading your investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographic regions can reduce risk and improve potential returns. For example, if one sector performs poorly, others may offset the losses. Beginners can achieve diversification through mutual funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, which pool money from multiple investors to buy a diversified portfolio of assets. These options are particularly appealing for those who lack the time or expertise to manage individual investments. Another critical aspect of investing is understanding the power of compounding. Compounding occurs when the returns on your investments generate additional earnings over time. For instance, reinvesting dividends or interest can significantly boost your portfolio's growth. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to compound, which is why experts often emphasize the importance of starting early. Even small, consistent contributions can grow substantially over decades, thanks to the magic of compounding. Finally, it's crucial to stay informed and avoid common pitfalls. Emotional decision-making, such as panic selling during market downturns, can derail your investment strategy. Instead, focus on long-term trends and stick to your plan. Additionally, be mindful of fees and taxes, as they can eat into your returns. Educating yourself about investment options, staying patient, and seeking advice from trusted sources can help you navigate the complexities of investing and set you on the path to financial success.